how to move the taskbar to top, left, right in Windows 11. So if you want to move the taskbar, then what you need to do is you just need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'll be here with Chrome browser. So once you're here on the browser, you just need to go for the search, and you need to search for Explorer Patcher, and here you will have all of these websites, right? So you just need to go for download Explorer Patcher, and you just need to download this. And here you just need to click on download and close the ad, and it will start the download, right? So you just need to go for the downloads, which is on the upper right, and the setup has been downloaded. So open up the setup, click on yes, and once you set that up, now here you can see that your taskbar has been changed, right? So it has been changed. So what you need to do is right click on the taskbar, and here you will have lock taskbar option, right? So simply tap on the lock taskbar, and once you tap on, or once you uncheck lock the taskbar, then your taskbar will move from top, left, right. So that's how you can move the taskbar. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.